it's Marley. If you've been here before, then you already know what it is, what's up. And if it's first time, subscribe, y'all. This is EXY Hair. This is their kinky curly bundle. It is so fire, y'all. This blends in with my natural hair so well. The 16-inch, I'm gonna put the details of the hair right here so y'all know all the specs and details, and also down below in the description box. Y'all gotta go get this hair. This is the perfect kinky curly hair. It's soft, it has no smell, it's very easy to manage, it doesn't tangle. It's human hair, y'all. It's human hair. So this is the real deal. Okay, this is the real deal. At this point, it's basically my hair. EXY Hair. Y'all go get it down below. Let's get into this tutorial. Do this really simple but cutesy high bun. Really perfect for some of y'all because it's still hot. And sometimes you don't want hair all up in your face. So yeah, hope you like this video. Mwah. Okay, shout out to EXY Hair. They sent me 3 packs of their 16-inch Marley twist hair. This is what it looks like. The hair has no smell. It felt good. Human hair, y'all. So let's get into it. So I'm starting off with freshly blow dried hair. If you want a tutorial on how to blow dry your hair, check out this video. So I'm just putting it up, brushing it up, trying to put as little heat as possible. And then I'm using my Marley's pomade to slick down my hair. And yeah. Okay, so I used 2 out of the 3 bundles that they sent me, mixed it all together, and then I'm gonna put a scrunchie to loop it through so that I can attach it to my ponytail. And honestly, y'all, I'm gonna keep saying this hair had no smell. It was so soft. Really 100% human hair. I was really impressed. So yes, y'all gotta go get this, and it looks so good. I honestly wanted to kind of keep it as like a ponytail like that. I was like, oh, I could keep it like that, but now I was like, now let me put it into a bun, and then once I shape it, shaping it is the longest part. So y'all about to see how I shape it, how I make sure everything is put together, and yeah.